Hello everyone, Andy here. So here's another variation of the spider walk exercise. We're going to use alternating fingers. So fret on any fret that you want, as long as they're right beside each other, 5, 6, 7, 8 frets. That's what I'm going to use here. And I'm using my first, second, third, and fourth finger. This is the starting position where you're fretting all these frets right beside each other. And before, the spider walk exercise was one finger at a time going up like this, right? Now, if you've mastered that already, this is another variation. We use 2 fingers at a time, but we're skipping like 1 and 3 fingers at the same time. We move up to the second string like this. And then your second and fourth finger will move up to the third string. It's a little tricky, okay? So you move them all at the same time. Not all, but 2 and 4 finger up on the third string. And after that, you keep 2 and 4 finger right there. And then we move again your first and third finger up, skipping a string on the fourth string. And then again, we move your second and fourth finger up to the fifth string. And then you move your first and third finger up to the sixth string, like that. So we start here very, very slow. Think about it. First and third finger starting on the first string. Any fret, you can start on any fret. We're not plucking it anyway. So I'm using a 5, 6, 7, and 8 fret. Okay. So I'll fret 2 fingers at the same time. First and third finger go up to the second string like this. Okay. And then next is your second and fourth finger. This and this finger will go up to the skip and fret the third string. Next we move up again, first and third. Then we move it up again, 2 and 4. Then we move it again, first and third. Okay, so in the beginning it's kind of disorienting, but the way to do it is just moving it slowly. If you can't do it right away, which is normal, okay, what you can do is move your first and third finger individually like this, okay. Then once you get the feel of it, okay, it's more about feel now. Move first and third up, second string, okay. Now, when you get that right, think about your second and fourth finger, right? Second and fourth. We're gonna move up and skip the second string. We move up to the third string, like this. Okay. So here, same time. Now we use again the first and third string, finger. Move it up. Then we skip again the second and fourth, the first and third. Okay. So that's another variation of the spider walk finger exercise. Let's try it again one more time. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, starting on the first string, any fret, as long as they're right beside each other. Okay. Now let's think about it again. First and third finger, moving up to the second string. Then now your second and fourth finger will move up to the third string. And then your first and third again move up to the fourth string. Second and fourth finger will move up to the fifth string. And then first and third will move up to the sixth string. Now you don't need to do it really, really fast. Just take your time, okay? So you can actually control individual fingers, right? So that's all. That's all there is to this video for now, because it will take a little while to get used to this variation of the spider walk. Okay, it's not easy. So here again, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 3. See, it's really difficult. Let's try that again. 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 3. Here again, 1 and 3 up, 2 and 4 skip, 1 and 3 skip, 2 and 4 skip, sorry, and then 1 and 3 skip. There you go. So practice that. Try to do that a few minutes a day. Then you'll feel the difference. After maybe a few days, you'll feel the difference, the connection with your brain and your fingers. It will make a whole lot of difference. So good luck with that, and I'll see you in the next lesson.